Class 8th Subject General Science Chapter 7 Metal and Non-Metals Exercise. Question 1. Complete the table. Property of metal. 1. Ductility. 2. Malleability. 3. Conduction of heat. Answer. Use in everyday life. 1. Gold, silver ornaments. 2. Aluminium sheet, galvanized sheet. 3. Stainless steel vessels, copper vessels, boilers. 4. Conduction of electricity. 5. Sonority. 4. Copper wires. 5. Brass articles. Question 2. Identify the odd term. A. Gold, silver, iron, diamond. Answer. Odd is diamond because other are alloys. B. Ductility, brittleness, sonority, malleability. Answer. Odd is brittleness because other properties are metallic properties. C. Carbon, bromine, sulfur, phosphorus. Answer. Odd is bromine because other are solids. D. Brass, bronze, iron, steel. Answer. Odd is iron because other are alloys. Question 3. Write scientific reasons. A. The stainless steel vessels in kitchen have copper coating on the bottom. Answer. 1. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron with carbon, chromium and nickel. 2. The conductivity of copper is higher than that of iron in steel. Copper heats uniformly and faster. The time for cooking is reduced. As a result, it saves fuel. Hence, the stainless steel vessels in kitchen have copper coating on the bottom. B. Copper and brass vessels are cleaned with lemon. Answer. 1. Copper undergoes oxidation in air to form black copper oxide. Copper oxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide in air and gains a green coat. This green substance is copper carbonate. 2. Lemon contains acid. The acid dissolves the green coating of basic copper carbonate present on the surface of a tarnished copper and brass vessels and makes them shiny again. C. Sodium metal is kept in kerosene. Answer. 1. Sodium reacts so vigorously with atmospheric oxygen that it attached fire is kept in the open. 2. It does not react with kerosene and sinks in it. Hence, to protect sodium and to prevent accidental fires, it is always kept in kerosene. Question 4. Answer the following. A. What is done to prevent corrosion of metals? Answer. By applying a layer of paint, oil, grease or varnish on the surface of a metal to prevent corrosion. Also, plating with non-corroding metal is done. Iron is coated with thin layer of zinc. Due to this process, the contact of metal surface with air is lost and corrosion is prevented. B. What are the metals that make the alloys brass and bronze? Answer. The alloy brass is formed from copper and zinc. The alloy bronze is formed from copper and tin. C. What are the adverse effects of corrosion? Answer 1. A reddish-colored deposit is formed on iron by reacting with oxygen gas. 2. A greenish-colored deposit is formed on copper by reaction with carbon dioxide. 3. A blackish-colored deposit is formed on silver. 4. Corrosion causes damages to car bodies, bridge, iron, railings, ships, especially those of iron, silver articles, and copper vessels. D. What are the use of noble metals? Answer. Use of noble metals. 1. Gold, silver, and platinum are used to prepare ornaments. 2. Silver is used in medicines. It has antibacterial property. 3. Gold and silver are also used to make metals and few electronic devices. 4. Platinum, palladium metals are used as catalyst. Question 5. 3 experiments to study the process of rusting are given below. Observe 3 test tubes and answer the following questions. A. Why the nail in the test tube 2 is not rusted? Answer. In the test tube 2 cuts the supply of air to nail, due to which oxidation of nail is prevented and boiled water is free from gases. Hence, the nail is in the test tube 2 is not rusted. B. Why is the nail in test tube 1 is rust highly? Answer. The nail in test tube 1 is a highly rusted because nail is in contact with water and air. The oxidation process is fast. C. Would the nail in the test tube 3 get rusted? Answer. No change is observed in test tube 3. Nail remains as it is because the calcium chloride absorbs moisture, making the air dry, thus preventing rusting of the nail.